So this is Denali. You saw my granddaughter Lakota putting the first few rides on him when he was ponied off a bob. Now it's time to ride and not be on the pony horse. So Robert's going to put a few rides on him this way without the pony horse, just in case he jumps or does something. And Robert is taller than me, but skinny as a beanpole. So weight-wise, weight should be good for Denali. He should be able to handle the weight just fine. He's actually a pretty tall horse. He's just about as tall as Bob, just not quite as thick. This is going to be a really nice horse. You see he's kind of relaxed. The ears are flicking back around on Robert, but he's not really locked like he's tight. Flipping his tail there. We'll see how these first couple steps go. Usually if there's a problem, it's in the first couple steps. See if he'll walk off. You remember we had trouble getting him to walk off when we were ponying with Bob. So the walking off without Bob, it has to be now right off the rider. He's not having, Bob's not there to help him. So we've had to work on that just a little bit. He don't have Bob to help him move forward like we had in the beginning. So all that, the leadership that we had from the pony horse is now relying all on the rider now. He doesn't have Bob to help him with the leadership, make any decisions, be a security blanket. It all has to be the rider. And hopefully we've done all our homework so that the transition is smooth. And Robert's doing these few rides because he's lighter than me. Plus, if Denali does jump or something, then we won't risk Lakota coming off. Basically, all we're asking here at this point is a walk and steer. I'm not one that I expect a horse to trot right away. I want it to be nice more than I want it just to make it happen. To me, if I make a trot happen and it's not nice, I'm really not accomplishing anything. If we get Denali's confidence up where he can just walk and steer and be confident about it, the trot will happen and will not be an issue. There's no reason to risk making him trot or lope at this point and having something come apart and overwhelm him when all we have to do is just build his confidence for a few rides now and maybe trot him a little bit later. We're riding him off of the halter. If you notice, the reins are clipped to the halter, not the bit. So we're not pulling on the bit yet. When he's more comfortable being ridden and more understands and more relaxed. So you can see he's listening, but he's not as relaxed as what he needs to be. So until he gets relaxed more, we're going to continue to ride him off of the halter. His walk isn't very rhythmic. He'll speed up, he'll slow down, and that's all part of this process. That's this stage that we're in. As he relaxes, that will get better. There he's chewing, that's improvement. Just gonna walk around the other direction and just give him a chance to relax. That's really all we're after here. Walk, steer, and relax. There's no reason to push this horse to do any more than that. We want to build his confidence. Remember when this horse came in, he was pretty bad. He charged at me, he would paw at me. And we have built a working relationship up that he knows we're not going to hurt him and he's not going to hurt us. See, something kind of got his attention, his head come up, but he didn't do anything stupid. We can work with that. That's just a matter of building his confidence, like what I was talking about. So we've been doing this for a few rides and we'll do it a few more, and when he starts to relax, we'll let Lakota ride him again, and you can see what he's like with Lakota riding. I'll put a link up top to the other videos that we've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.